Tired of endless scrolling? Trying to connect with the right real estate agent on Zillow? Let's dive into how you can find those elusive email addresses and connect directly. First, head over to Zillow.com and in the search bar, type in the city or neighborhood where you want to find an agent. Once your results load, scroll down and look for the Find an Agent section. Click on it. You'll see profiles of local real estate agents. Now, click on the profile of the agent you're interested in. Okay, on the agent's profile page, look for a contact button. Click on it. Many agents will have a contact form here. It's not ideal, but it's a start. Now, here's the key. Look for an About section on their profile. Often, agents will link to their personal website. Click that link. Their website will almost always have their direct email address on it. Once you're on the agent's website, navigate to their contact page or look for Meet the Team or About Us section. You should find their email address listed there. Boom. And that's it. You've successfully tracked down the agent's email. Now you can send a personalized message and start building those valuable connections. Good luck.